Good morning, Angie. I just had a user test for you today. I'd like you to talk about our app. It's called Empower. It's a way to connect people, maybe in a new city, maybe who haven't established themselves in a particular cultural area, to be connected with organizations that they may be interested in. So we're just going to go through a little test and see how our app is good for user interfaces. Does that sound good?
Great. I'm excited to see it. I'm new to Charlottesville.
Great. Well, let's see here. Let's say so right now you're in the app, you've downloaded it, you got your login, and you see, I'll let you drive with the mouse here, and you see that you would really like to do some bolio ceramics, maybe like a pottery class. How would you get into that class?
Looks like maybe I would click sign up.
Yeah, that's right. Yep. And so, what if like you wanted to pick like different distance away from your home or something? You wanted to change that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe I want to go more than 30 miles.
Okay. And then can you tell me like what else you see on the page? Like what else is like kind of standing out to you as like where your eyes are drawn?
I mean, I'd love to see what this Learn More button does and see what this Bolio ceramics class is all about.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, well let's dive into that a little bit. Let's say that you did click on Art House Studio. If you wanted to get into like the 345 class, where would you kind of hover into and pick?
Oh, great. Yeah. I mean, that one looks like it has mixed reviews, so maybe I would want to do this 9 a.m. one that has very positive reviews.
Okay, yeah, so that's something that you really care about. Great. And well, good. Well, that's so let's pick 9 a.m. then, and we can talk about where would you click.
Click the sign up button here.
Cool. And now it's how many people do you think would be in this class? Like, what would you if you mentioned you wanted to know more about the class? Like, what would it be like?
It looks like about 15 to 30 people sign up for it. And that 9 a.m.
Where do you see
one
that
is
on the screen?
a little higher here. Okay. And that 9 a.m. one is probably closer to the 30 because it's got the higher reviews would be my intuition.
Okay, well, great. And then once we kind of like want to
Can we go back to that last
Oh,
screen?
sure.
I also really like that it says introvert friendly.
Okay.
I myself am an extrovert, but I know I do have a lot of introverted friends, so I do love that little call out there.
Great. Now look here. So let's say it's like today, the 13th, and you wanted to get into like a 5:30 class today. What would you do?
I would scroll down to this 5:30 p.m. and click sign up.
Great. Let's do some other tests here. Now, if you would adding to a calendar be something that you're interested in?
Yes, absolutely. I use my calendar for everything.
Okay, great. So we'll kind of change up the scenario here a little bit, and we're really gonna kind of like figure out, dialing down the days of the week that you're available and finding an event. Mm-hmm. So here is a situation where you're kind of like you're given a suggested activity. Now this is like using our algorithm to match you with the organizations you may want.
Would that be using these filters up here, day of the week and type of
exactly.
event?
So let's look at that. So if you were to click, as you mentioned here, you'd be kind of dropping down to this menu, and you'd be picking, what you really wanted to see or what day of the week you wanted to be exposed to. Just to jump ahead here, is this something that you'd be interested, like recommendations on which day of the week you should be active and what you should be doing, including the activities?
Yeah, it would be great if it suggested some things for me in times that I have available.
Well, great. Well, that's all the testing we have for today, and so thanks so much for participating.